Hey everyone, this is Craig Wilson with today's Quick Hits. Whether you're working in a web browser or on a Chromebook, you can get to the same Microsoft Office 365 features as those in the desktop application. Go to your web browser and simply type in office.com. If you haven't signed in already, it will ask you to sign in and you use the same credentials as you do for Temple ISD. From here, the first thing that you'll notice is your dashboard. Across the top in the first third of the screen are all of the applications. They are fully functional, just like they would be in a desktop application. In the middle here, you'll look at recommended. These are files that maybe were sent to you as an attachment, or maybe they were files that you've worked on in the past or have been shared with you through OneNote. Finally, down here at the bottom, you have your recents. These are the last documents that you've worked on while you were in your web browser, but not on your desktop application. Let's start with Outlook. Outlook works the same as it does in the desktop. You've got your list of messages, most recent first, here in the middle, divided by focused and other. And when you click on a message, it appears here in your preview screen. Let's say that we want to save an attachment. You come over here on the bottom corner of the attachment and notice that it says Save to OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage that allows you to share and collaborate, similar to Google Drive. So when I click to OneDrive, it is now saved to the cloud. How do I get there? I go over here to the upper right-hand corner, and this is my quick access, these buttons right here, that allows me to get to any of the Office 365 apps on the web. If I click on OneDrive, this is my cloud storage space, and it shows me all of my files that have been saved in my OneDrive. When I go here to the attachments folder, I now see that one that I just saved. Back out to the drive here, these are all the documents that I've either saved to my OneDrive or I've created while I've been working on the web. One difference from the desktop application. By default, the documents that you create in Office 365 do not save on your hard drive. They automatically save by default out onto the web in OneDrive. Now let's go out to Word. I come back up to my quick launch button and I click on Word. Word will pop up and you get the opportunity to create a new blank document or open up a document like you've done in the past. For example, this one says how to retrieve, save, and share Word files in OneDrive. Notice that your ribbon across the top looks very similar to the one that you have in your desktop application. When I click on File, Save As one time and give it a name, from then on, this document will always auto-save. No more going up here and hunting around for the Save button or pressing Control-S to make a save. It's worth repeating that documents created in Office 365 by default save to your OneDrive and do not save onto your hard drive. So if you were to go to your computer and go to My Docs, they wouldn't show up there. Instead, you need to right-click on the document and click on Download. Well, that's it for now. If you have questions or ideas for future Quick Hits, reach out to us at help.tisd.org.